40 kilograms. 0.57 meters per second equals VF. So, Joe and Sarah are both moving at 0.57 meters per second. Since this is also a positive number, and we define the direction that Sarah was initially moving in as the positive direction, this means that Sarah continues moving forward and pushes Joe backwards. If a collision is inelastic, then the colliding objects stick together after the collision. In contrast, if colliding objects bounce off each other and do not stick together, then the collision is considered to be elastic. Momentum is defined as the mass of an object multiplied by its velocity. And in both elastic and inelastic collisions, momentum is conserved, while kinetic energy is not. This means the total momentum of the system is the same before and after the collision. If the collision is inelastic, then the two objects will have a common final velocity. Therefore, because momentum is conserved, you can find the final velocity if you know the masses of the colliding objects and their initial velocities.